You guys, come with me. Come with me. Okay, we're not going nowhere. Come watch me make some. I'm making like a soul pho type of noodle, and I'm gonna start off with like a collard green base. Today we're gonna bake our collard greens because I have other things to cook, and I need the top part of my stove. So I'm about to walk y'all through and show y'all how I do that. I'm gonna start off, here we go, with the turkey leg. I'm actually gonna use 2 turkey legs. Put in some collards. I like to cut mine like this. And I like to leave this on. It holds so much flavor, that part. Like I said, for the faux noodles, the base is gonna be similar to my collard green gumbo. So I'm adding in my onions and my peppers. And yes, I chopped them up very big because why not? In my other turkey wrap. Now we're gonna add in some of the seasonings. These are my seasoning blends that I mix and blend myself. The key to the spice, you need to make sure you add some cayenne and paprika to your red crushed peppers. Give it a real good spice. Now let's add in the rest of our collard greens. Make sure you wash your greens. Okay, let's add in some more onions. Okay, I'm gonna add in a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Some garlic. This is my homemade beef broth that I'm adding. Oh, it just spilled all over my laptop. Don't do that part, don't spill it. But I make my own broth, you know, it's pretty easy. Veggie broth, beef broth, chicken broth, whatever you want to make. And more seasoning. I don't use salt. I feel like when you mix the right things together, especially the right herbs and blends and veggies and things of that sort, you don't really need salt. At least not too much. I don't think so. I'm going to mix this up, and then I'm going to add in some butter. Yes, you heard that right. I add butter to my collard greens and some more broth. I add the beef broth already, so next I'm going to add veggie broth. Just mixing this around for the seasoning. Adding in sausage. So like I stated, I'm making like a, I've never heard this be done before. Maybe it has. I've never seen it or heard it. But I'm making like a soul food type of pho. I'm gonna call it a soul pho. And I'm gonna have the collard greens in there, the veggies, the type of meat is gonna be sausage, shrimp, turkey legs. I was gonna add chicken, but maybe I'll do that next time. But this time I'm gonna add steak instead of chicken with the noodles. So, in the type of noodles, I'm gonna use some ramen noodles. So let's see how this goes. And I think people are gonna love it. I gotta find out what smoke detector that is making that noise. I swear I just changed the batteries. It's making me mad. Okay, now let's add in our veggie broth. Okay, so now I'm gonna wrap this big old pan in foil and put it in the oven. I'm gonna cook it on 350. All right, it's time to go in the oven. It's been cooking. It's not ready yet. I'm showing you what it's looking like. It's not done yet, but it's coming along. I want to show you guys the process, what it's looking like right now. Now I'm adding in the shrimp. Adding our noodles.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not